Hey people, so we just finished mother and son. We attended a White Hat Junior class just now. It was like the first demo class, and Ayush, my son who is 7, will tell you just how nice it was. And I really have to say, the teacher was Miss Naksha Nayak. The sweet little, I thought she was a college student, but apparently, like, she is a 25-year-old engineer who's, who's teaching kids, and such a sweet style of teaching. Yeah, I mean, and such a sweet, charming young lady also. And Ayush, how did you like the class?
So goody, goody, goody.
Yeah, right now he's sitting with rabbits. But really, so this White Hat Junior is something that we should, the young parents should enroll their kid in, yeah, because they teach you the very basics of coding, and in a way that a 7-year-old would also. It's like a puzzle, solve the puzzle, or uh, whatever, put the puzzle together. And it was an online class, and it was brilliant. So thank you, Naksha Nayak ma'am. I think it was such a nice class. So White Hat Junior, hats off. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.